Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, can I deposit money into my Relay bank account? This is a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and I'm happy to finally be able to provide an answer. The answer to this question is yes, you can deposit money into your Relay bank account. However, there are a few things you need to know before you do. First, you need to make sure that your Relay bank account is activated. You can do this by following the instructions in the email that you received when you signed up for Relay. Once your account is activated, you can deposit money into it in a few different ways. Direct deposit. You can set up direct deposit from your employer or another bank account. Cash deposit. You can deposit cash at any Relay ATM or partner bank. Check deposit. You can deposit checks at any Relay ATM or partner bank. When you deposit money into your Relay bank account, you will need to provide your Relay account number and routing number. You can find this information on your Relay app or website. Once your deposit is processed, you will be able to see it in your Relay bank account. Here are some additional things to keep in mind when you deposit money into your Relay bank account. There may be fees associated with depositing money into your Relay bank account. Your deposit may take a few days to process. You can only deposit money into your Relay bank account up to a certain amount. You may need to provide identification when you deposit money into your Relay bank account. I hope this answer is helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I also encourage you to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.